congratulations sa inyo, lahat ng mga Blooms, including our Cory, to Derek Lauren, who's always there, to Sir Roxy, Miss G, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin our executives. Really inspiring.
Thank you, Blooms, for watching. Ito hindi ba? Mungina.
You know what pelikula? Now showing on.
Now showing on?
It's 5th month na yata eh.
5th month na yata.
Yeah, no. Pilot, maraming salamat. Okay, now let's talk to Maloy. Ano ba yung ibang mga unforgettable moments sa London, Maloy?
Hi everyone! So, ako naman magkwento about London. Yes, London, baby. Yeah. We went to London. Siguro, aside from the concert itself, syempre sobrang saya kasi hindi rin namin inakala na magkakaroon kami ng, of course, aside from Filipino Blooms, nakakita kami ng non-Filipino Blooms and it just shows na our music crossed borders talaga. So, hindi ako makapaniwala na like mga international Blooms singing our songs. So, sobrang grateful. And aside from that, ang tagal kasi namin sa London, mga 5 days kami. So, nakapag-visit kami sa mga tourist spots doon. And nakita namin yung Big Ben. So, memorable siya. And
Notting Hill.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And nakakain kami ng fish and chips na talagang tumatak sa amin. And ayun, sabi ni Joanna, pinag-usapan namin na every corner talaga ng London is picture perfect talaga. Like, parang ang saya mag-romanticize ng buhay, gano'n. Kasi ang romantic is every spot, so ang sarap balik-balikan talaga.
And speaking of which, babalik naman talaga ang Beanie in UK.
Yes, we will coming back sa August.
Yes, right. So,
Yeah, see you there, Blooms!
yeah.